I want something really delicious and quick to put together. And I came up with this chicken and sweet corn. I'm going to cut it just like so that it will cook fast. I'm gonna pop it in my air fryer and just craving for something delicious. So it's not going to take time to cook. I have 1 seasoning cube in here, some salt, paprika powder, parsley, some garlic, can use fresh one, add some olive oil, and stir. Now I'm going to pour it in here. I used fresh one. You can use powdered garlic. I think I said you can use fresh one before. All right. Massage very well. I'm not going to wait. I'll transfer it in my air fryer and allow it to do the job for me. I forgot to put my curry powder, just a bit. For that flavor. Now I'm going to transfer it in my air fryer. I'm going to transfer it in here. You guys, it's ready. I'm going to serve myself. This is for me and me alone. And it looks so good. Okay, look at the juice. And choose to add a little bit to make it moist. Ooh. Ready to demolish. I'm gonna step it down with a glass of juice. Cheers to everything good. It's not only on birthdays or any occasion that you have to do cheers. Sometimes do cheers. Cheers to everything good. Okay? That's good. So now let's enjoy. This is so good.